Ever suffered from indigestion and wished for a quick home remedy? Indigestion, an all too common discomfort, can disrupt our day and leave us feeling unwell. But fret not. Stay tuned, as we are about to explore 5 home remedies for indigestion that you can try today. First off, consider cinnamon, a spice with remarkable digestive benefits. Just steep a cinnamon stick in hot water for a quick soothing tea. It's easy, fast, and helps soothe the stomach. Try a cup of warm cinnamon tea next time you feel indigestion creeping in. Next on our list is warm lemon water, a citrusy delight with multiple health benefits. This easy-to-prepare remedy helps soothe indigestion, thanks to the natural acidity of lemons. So when life gives you lemons, make warm lemon water to ease your indigestion. Our final remedies involve fennel seeds, bananas, and apple cider vinegar. Fennel seeds are a powerhouse of dietary fiber, which aids digestion by adding bulk to your food in the digestive system. Simply chew a teaspoon of fennel seeds after meals. Bananas, on the other hand, are rich in pectin, which aids in digestion and helps remove toxins and heavy metals. For an easy fix, just grab a banana as a snack. Lastly, apple cider vinegar can improve digestion by increasing stomach acid production. Mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and sip it before meals. Remember, these remedies are simple, natural, and can be found in most kitchens. While these remedies can provide relief, remember they are not a substitute for medical advice. Our journey through cinnamon, warm lemon water, fennel seeds, bananas, and apple cider vinegar has shown us that nature offers a treasure trove of potential solutions. But let's not forget the importance of professional healthcare. If your indigestion symptoms persist, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to Home Remedies for Life. Stay healthy and take care.